Naming conventions. Naming conventions are designed to allow instantly recognizable types of controls, variables, and screens. In the tree view of the PowerApp Design Studio, we can see each element of our app, so a solid naming convention is vital for identifying specific elements of your app. To use naming conventions, we apply prefixes to our elements. The prefixes tell us the type of control or variable. This becomes really useful when searching for specific controls within your app. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by selecting the Tree View button from the menu to the left of the screen. We will see all the objects that we have inserted onto our PowerApp canvas, arranged screen by screen. Simply click on the ellipsis to the right of the object and select Rename. We now apply a 3-letter prefix that describes the object. We will next look at all the prefixes that you should use when constructing your build. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.